A person's sex is assigned at birth arbitrarily by a medical professional by merely glancing at a person's genitals. The only person who gets to determine your sexual orientation is you yourself. Sexuality is so much more than just the sex a person is having or not having. It includes a person's sexual orientation, their romantic orientation, behaviors of intimacy. It includes access to resources. It includes, what time of day a person would like to engage in behaviors of intimacy in, what are their kinks, what are their fetishes, what are their past experiences when it comes to their own sexuality, what are their fantasies, what are their aspiration when it comes to their sexual orientation and romantic orientation. So it's so expansive. Growing up, I didn't have access to affirming information on sex, sexuality, and safety, and I struggled a lot in my own gender and sexuality journey. In fact, I put myself in rather unsafe situations, and I definitely don't want that for you. Hello, and welcome to That Sassy Thing's Masterclass on gender and sexuality. I'm Apururpa. My pronouns are she and they. I've designed this masterclass to walk you through the basics of gender and sexuality and to answer any questions and curiosities that you might have around this topic. It is queer and trans affirmative, and it's by an educator who is queer and trans themselves. So it's not just coming from my expertise, it's also coming from my lived experience.